Most business owners think that you need to have years of tax return and crazy revenue to get approved for business credit. And that is just not true, right? Today, I'm going to be showing you three banks that giving out about $25,000 plus in business funding, even if you have a brand new business. You don't need to have tax return in hand, all right? So stick with me till the end, because I'm gonna also share a bonus strategy with you that could boost your approval odds instantly, y'all. All right, could boost your approval odds instantly. All right, so the first one up is Navy Federal. Navy Federal, this bank is powerful. If you can get in, they're known for giving out big limits, right? Both on the personal side and also on the business side, all right? So I have seen people get from 25,000, 50 to 100 more or higher with their businesses, right? But here's the catch though, you need to become a member to get in. And that usually through a military affiliation, or also there's different backdoor method that you can use also too. Also, if you have a family member that can basically give you access. But people in my community, I show them exactly how to get access to Navy. Once you in, you want to build a relationship, open a checking account, a saving account, and run some transaction before you apply for any type of credit cards, personal and or business, right? But then you need no tax return required. You know, all they look at is your relationship with them and also your personal credit profile instantly, all right? To get access to their product. Second one is Divvy. This one is a fintech company that approves you based on your cash flow on your business. So your business setup, you just gotta make sure your business set up properly. You don't need to have years of tax return and nothing, right? Here's why I like Divvy. They report to your business profile. So that means that it helps your business build credit when you deal with Divvy, right? So they're known for giving out limits like 10,000 to 30,000 right off the bat, y'all. All right, right off the bat. And also, if you can manage to spend with their platform, which look great when it comes to scaling for your business, it's really, really good at helping you build business credit, right? So if you have a business structured properly, like your LLC set up properly, your EIN number is set up properly, you have a bank account set up properly, you can get approved very quickly with Divvy, all right? So the third bank is Truist Bank, right? This one people slept on, right? So they have merged with SunTrust and BB&T Bank. So their business products are very strong, right? So I had seen people getting from $20,000 to $40,000 approvals with no tax return. You could also double dip. You can get multiple products with them. You get personal credit cards and also business credit card. And as long as your business is solid, structured properly, and now you'll be able to get access to their funding. You got to build a relationship with them, open a check-in, open a business account, open deposit some cash in there, talk directly with their reps before you even apply. You can also apply online if you like also too, all right? But though you want to make sure that you build your business credit profile before you apply, right? Build your business credit profile. A clean EIN number, a clean LLC, right? You want to make sure that you open a real business checking account, right? With the business address, all the info, just matching all throughout. So when they search your business up, they can see the number, your address matching, your phone number matching, all the info that you provide is all matching with your business bank account, right? That's a little prep work for you to make sure that you look good on paper, have a real business set up, and that can make a big difference between you getting $2,000 or $25,000 to $50,000 of approval. So that's why you got to set everything right. All right. So again, there you have it. So you have Navy Federal, you have Divvy, you have Truist Bank. These three places that give you about $25,000 plus for your business with no tax return that you need. All right. But listen, watching YouTube videos is one thing, but if you want someone to walk you through step by step and show you exactly how to properly set these things up so you can get your 50 to 150 in funding. What I did is I created a step-by-step 10-step blueprint that's going to show you exactly what you need to do before you actually go for funding. If you look in the description below, you'll see the link where you could click and get the ebook. And also too, if you like to talk to us directly for us to get this done for you, if you don't want to sit around and wait, you like, hey man, I don't want to go through all that myself, you want somebody to do it for you, go ahead and book a call with me and my team, and we'll be able to help you set this thing up and get you the funding that you need for your business. All right, again, look in the bottom and you'll see the links right there. If this video helped in any ways, right, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, share with a friend, a family or so, and I'll see you in the next one.